NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has just begun its incredible journey, and the universe has already become a place of unimaginable beauty, mystery, and intrigue. It's as though humanity's dreams of exploring the cosmos have barely scratched the surface, and yet, with each new discovery, we're finding that the universe is far stranger and more awe-inspiring than we ever could have imagined. This isn't just another tool for astronomers, it's the cosmic jackpot, their dream come true. And with it, a whole new chapter in astronomy has opened, one that may completely redefine our understanding of the universe. For centuries, scientists and dreamers alike have looked up to the stars, asking the same question: could there be another planet out there just like ours? An Earth twin, a perfect second home for humanity. The search for this so-called Holy Grail of astronomy has been ongoing, but in 2016, astronomers found something that made their hearts race: Proxima B, a rocky world orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our own Sun. This planet stood out as the most promising candidate for potential life because of its location in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, where liquid water could potentially exist. And with water comes the possibility of life. But here's the plot twist: Proxima B may not be the peaceful, Earth-like haven we all dreamed of. In fact, it might be a much more dangerous and inhospitable place than we ever expected. Proxima Centauri, the star it orbits, is a red dwarf star, a highly active, fiery ball of gas that regularly spews out massive solar flares. These violent eruptions are powerful enough to strip away a planet's atmosphere, exposing its surface to intense radiation that would make any form of life extremely challenging. Imagine living on a planet where the weather forecast isn't just a passing thunderstorm, but deadly bursts of radiation capable of frying anything in their path. Not exactly the kind of place you'd want to call home. But hold on. Despite these dangerous solar flares, scientists remain hopeful. If Proxima B has a thick, protective atmosphere, it could shield the surface from harmful radiation and stabilize temperatures enough to make it habitable. This is still a big if, but it's not outside the realm of possibility. There's still a chance that this mysterious world might have the conditions for life, albeit in ways we've yet to fully understand. And there's even more to Proxima B's story that will leave you questioning everything we thought we knew about the planet. Proxima B is tidally locked, which means that one side of the planet always faces the star in constant daylight, while the other side remains in eternal darkness. The line between these two extremes is called the terminator line, a narrow zone where the temperatures and conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist, and by extension, the potential for life. This strip of land, in perpetual twilight, could host an alien ecosystem unlike anything we've seen here on Earth. But here's where things get really intriguing. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its powerful gaze on Proxima B, it wasn't just looking for signs of water vapor or carbon dioxide, the usual markers that might indicate life-supporting conditions. Scientists were looking for clues about the planet's atmosphere, surface conditions, and any signs that life might actually exist there. And what they discovered left them utterly speechless. On the dark side of Proxima B, they detected a faint, steady glow. Not from volcanic activity, not from auroras, but something that looked eerily artificial. This wasn't just random, natural light. The data suggested a pattern consistent with city lights. Yes, you read that right, faint, steady illumination coming from a planet more than 4 light-years away, potentially signaling that we are not alone in the universe. Could this be evidence of an advanced civilization? Are we seeing the faint glow of alien cities? The possibility is both thrilling and mind-boggling. But with such an extraordinary discovery comes a sea of unanswered questions. If this glow is indeed artificial, who or what created it? Could we be looking at a thriving alien metropolis, or perhaps the remains of a long-gone civilization? The arrangement of the lights suggests a level of intentionality, like urban planning, hinting that the glow is spread out across vast regions of the planet. The idea that we might be witnessing the lights of an advanced, intelligent species living on another world raises more questions than we can begin to answer. Of course, there are those who urge caution. Space is full of phenomena we don't yet fully understand. Could this glow be something completely natural, a phenomenon we've never encountered before? It's a possibility, but it's worth considering that this could be a long shot, and the mystery may be even stranger than we imagine. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. If these lights are truly artificial, what would they mean for us? The reality is that even if there is an alien civilization out there, reaching Proxima B is no small feat. Although Proxima Centauri is the closest star system to our own, it's still over 4 light-years away. With our current technology, a trip to Proxima B would take tens of thousands of years, far beyond the reach of current spacecraft. However, groundbreaking projects like Breakthrough Starshot are exploring the possibility of sending small, light-powered probes to the Proxima Centauri system. These tiny spacecraft, powered by lasers, could travel at a fraction of the speed of light and potentially reach Proxima B within a few decades, allowing us to send back vital information about the planet's atmosphere, surface conditions, and those mysterious lights. A daring mission, yes, but one that could completely change the way we look at the cosmos. While Proxima B's lights have stolen the spotlight, its neighbor, Proxima C, might hold even more surprises. Early discoveries suggest that the Proxima Centauri system could be more complex than we initially thought, with multiple planets possibly offering diverse conditions for life. What if Proxima B and Proxima C form a mini solar system, each planet with unique potential for life? The possibilities are exciting, and we're only just beginning to peel back the layers of this cosmic enigma. Now, let's return to those lights. If they are artificial, they tell us something profound about the civilization that created them. To produce and sustain such illumination, the creators would need highly advanced technology. This implies intelligence, resourcefulness, and perhaps even an understanding of energy and environmental control that far surpasses anything we've imagined. This civilization could have developed technologies to survive in the face of solar flares, extreme temperatures, and radiation. Perhaps they've mastered geothermal energy or built underground cities to shield themselves from the harsh conditions. Or maybe they've discovered ways to regulate their planet's climate, creating artificial environments that allow life to flourish. Alternatively, it's possible that these lights are the last echoes of a long-lost civilization. Could Proxima B be hiding ancient ruins, relics of a society that once thrived but has since disappeared? If these lights are the remnants of such a civilization, what happened to them? Did they face challenges they couldn't overcome? What if their story serves as a cautionary tale for humanity, warning us about the dangers of technological overreach or environmental collapse? This idea raises chilling, yet fascinating, questions. What if we do make contact with a civilization that's either thriving or long gone? How would we react? Encounters between civilizations with different levels of technological development often don't end well. While the idea of learning from an advanced society is tantalizing, the risks are enormous. If we're dealing with a species that has advanced technology, would they view us as equals, or as threats? Would they be open to sharing their knowledge, or would they see us as nothing more than an inconvenience or even an enemy? Communication is another hurdle. Even if we somehow manage to send a message to Proxima B today, it would take over 4 years for that message to reach its destination, and another 4 years for a reply. Could we rely on math as a universal language to bridge the gap between two vastly different species? The prospect of communicating across such vast distances is daunting, and the risks of revealing too much about ourselves are real. Could sharing our location and vulnerabilities backfire if the beings on Proxima B have hostile intentions? The extreme conditions of Proxima B only add another layer of complexity. The planet's tidally locked nature means that any civilization there would have to adapt to living in the narrow terminator zone, where temperatures are more stable and life might be possible. Maybe they've developed technologies to control the environment, perhaps building underground cities or artificial climates to make the surface habitable. Perhaps they've mastered the art of terraforming, or they've developed biological adaptations we can't even fathom. If Proxima B does support life, it might be as resilient as life here on Earth. Life on our planet has shown an incredible ability to survive in the most extreme environments, deep sea vents, the icy tundra, and even the scorched deserts. If life exists on Proxima B, it's likely just as adaptable and resourceful as Earth's life forms. The discovery of lights on Proxima B is a tantalizing clue that we may not be alone in the universe. Whether these lights are artificial or natural, they represent a mystery that demands further exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope has unlocked an entirely new chapter in our quest to understand the cosmos, and Proxima B is at the center of this thrilling journey. One thing is certain, the universe just got a lot more interesting. And our place within it feels a little less lonely. But Proxima B is just one of many strange and extreme worlds out there. As we continue to peer deeper into the vastness of space, we're discovering planets that defy everything we thought we knew. Each new exoplanet brings with it a new set of surprises, from molten worlds where iron rains from the skies, to ultra-reflective planets that shine like cosmic mirrors. The universe is full of bizarre worlds, and with each discovery, astronomers are forced to rethink what's possible. For example, take JWST-76b, an ultra-hot gas giant where the temperatures are so extreme that iron doesn't just melt, it turns to vapor and rains down on the planet's night side. Or LHS-354b, a behemoth of a planet that's about 13 times the mass of Earth, orbiting a tiny, dim star. This planet challenges everything we know about planetary formation. And don't forget about Pictoris B, a gas giant that's been captured in stunning time-lapse footage, showing its dramatic orbit. Each new discovery is like peering into the backyard of a distant solar system, full of drama, beauty, and mystery. As we continue to study the cosmos, one thing becomes abundantly clear: the universe is full of surprises.